If your body is feeling tight or heavy, this 10-minute full body stretch and mobility flow will reset you. My name is Samidha, founder of Yoga Sutras. In this session, we'll loosen stiff muscles, improve mobility, and help you move better throughout the day. Controlled movement, deep breathing, total body release. Click subscribe and get access to more wellness videos. Let's get started. Bring in your awareness to connect and ground, allowing the posture to settle, the breath to become rhythmic. And on an inhale, while you raise your arms up, interlink the palms facing the sky, lengthen and stretch. Create space in the body. And on an exhale, stretch onto the right side and take a full exhale to go to this place that is your best place on the right side, stretching, opening the left chest. When you squeeze out the exhale fully, recenter on an inhale and prepare to stretch on the left side. Allow that entire exhale to happen. Belly squeezed. And recenter on an inhale. We release the palms, we lengthen the upper body, preparing to flow forward on an exhale. Belly squeezed in. We loosen up and make the arms go heavy, head, neck, all to the gravity, and gently start to put your palms beneath your knees, pressing them to let you stretch the spine. Get to this half lift, inhaling, and exhale to fold once again close to your thigh. From this place, step into Adho Mukha Svanasana. And to stretch your heels, just glide your left foot, take the toe, place it on your right heel, and try to stretch the heel down on the ground. Allow. We do the same thing with the right toe on the left heel. Press the heel down, stretch, allow your chest to open, head aligned, and return. Lift your right foot, swing it forward, put your left knee on the mat, and allow your arms to rise up on an inhale. Connect your palms and place them behind the head. Open up and prepare to twist on an exhale as you bring your left elbow towards the floor. You rise up on an inhale and let the left elbow go towards the back. You once again come back looking forward, inhaled, widened chest. Exhale as you take your left elbow towards the ground. Inhaling, you rise up. You twist on the left side, left elbow going backward. Come back. Let your arms open up and let us stretch the right hamstring. Prepare to straighten your right knee and allow your palms once again and try to flow forward. That lets you bring in the stretch. Bring your palms down. Start to collect your right foot back into runner's lunge. Lift, inhale, place it, exhale. We repeat the flow on the left side where we lift the left leg, swing it, right knee on the mat. Inhaling the arms up, letting the palms settle behind the head. We widen, we open. Twist on an exhale. Right elbow towards the ground. Twist on the right. We do that one more time. Use the exhale to flow. We now start to prepare the hamstring stretch by letting the foot flow forward. We allow the palms to once again settle on the back of the head. We flow down. And we start to connect the palms, bringing the runner's lunge, letting us lift and connect into down dog. From this place, let us gently settle into cat. Prepare to stretch the upper back, where we lift the right arm to the sky. We thread it. We gently flow. We inhale the arm, stretch, open. We exhale and thread and flow. We do that one more time. We open and stretch. We exhale and flow. We repeat the same thing on the left side, where we lift the left arm. Inhaling, we flow as we stretch and go. We open up the left arm into the sky. Exhale as we flow. And create this opening on an inhale and flow as you exhale. We now come back to the cat and we prepare ourselves to walk the knees, start to roll onto the spine. We allow this for the lower back. We then place the feet on the ground. We twist on the right, keeping the shoulders on the ground. Inhaling through the open left chest. We then twist to the left, experiencing that on the other side. We repeat this. And we start to melt down from this stretch to the last place where we allow, no matter how brief the practice, is to simply fall into the rhythm of the breath and allow the benefits to be absorbed. Calm the nervous system. And let this be the pause before the beginning.